We're at 1276 4 North Rain Shadow Court here in Dove Mountain. This does have a gas generator, so you never lose electricity. Nice cul-de-sac here. This home is 2,100 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and built in 2006. They use this as their formal dining area. Walk in here to the kitchen and the family room. Tons of counter space, nice backsplash. Here's the pantry. Let's walk over here first. To the left here, you get a guest bedroom. Here's the primary bedroom. You have a walk-in closet here. You have access outside through the primary. This here is where the toilet is. Beautifully updated garden tub, shower. Straight ahead here, you have a den to the left. You have a coat closet. Linen closet. You have the guest bathroom here. This has a tub. Straight ahead here is the other guest bedroom. You have the laundry room here. You have some counter space. You have a sink. Here's the garage. You have some storage space above. Let's head on outside. That is a gas fireplace. Shaded patio. You can view the peaks at the top there. Very low maintenance backyard. This is some real grass. They're doing some work back there, so you would not get all of that noise often. You have a grill. There's the backyard.